If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. If you select multiple Camera Raw images in the organizer to open them at the same time within the Camera Raw dialog box in Photoshop Elements, the images will appear within a film strip in the Camera Raw dialog box. By default, the film strip appears at the bottom of the image preview area in the dialog box, but you can change its placement. Additionally, the film strip button that controls the visibility of the film strip and its other settings appears in the lower left corner of the Camera Raw dialog box next to the zoom settings drop-down. To show or hide the film strip, click the film strip button in the lower left corner of the Camera Raw dialog box. Additionally, you can either click and hold down on the film strip button, or you can right-click the film strip button to show a pop-up menu of film strip commands from which you can select. Within the film strip, you can click to select the image to process within the Camera Raw dialog box. You can then make your usual Camera Raw adjustments to only the selected image. Alternatively, you can also select multiple images in the film strip to apply ratings, color labels, and deletion marks to multiple Camera Raw images at once if desired. You can hold down either the Shift or Control keys on your keyboard after clicking to select an image to then click to select multiple adjacent or non-adjacent images in the film strip as usual. To select all the images in the film strip, select the Select All command from the Film Strip button's pop-up menu. To only select rated images instead, select the Select Rated command from the Film Strip button's pop-up menu. To assign the same rating to the selected images, roll over the Set Rating command in the Film Strip button's pop-up menu and then select the rating to apply from the side menu of choices that appears. To assign the same color category to multiple selected images in the film strip, roll over the Set Label command in the Film Strip button's pop-up menu and then select the color label to apply from the side menu of choices that appears. To toggle the marking of multiple selected images in the film strip for deletion on or off, select the Mark for Deletion command in the Film Strip button's pop-up menu. The Film Strip button's pop-up menu also contains commands that change the appearance of the film strip and its content, but not the selected image or images. To change the orientation of the film strip between its default horizontal appearance or a vertical appearance, where it then appears at the far left side of the Camera Raw dialog box, select either the horizontal or vertical command from the Film Strip button's pop-up menu. To toggle the appearance of Camera Raw image file names in the film strip on or off, select the Show File Names command from the Film Strip button's pop-up menu. To toggle the appearance of Camera Raw image color labels and ratings in the film strip on or off, select the Show Ratings and Color Labels command from the Film Strip button's pop-up menu. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.